There's this ache I wake up to every day, something I can't explain. Some days I'm left with nothing to say. Something in the ether comes this way. Counting my losses, memories that fade, lost forever, the ghosts that remain, fading from my fingertips, lost like tears in the rain. Those times locked in the hand of my father's grip, those days in the loving embrace of my mother's arms, my brother and me laughing to trample the days away, arrogance of our youth, pushing the hands on the clock, lest we be fortunes to some unspoken truth. Then one day the mirror tells a story to laugh the loves come and gone like a fleeting train. You know, and that aching pain from faded memories washed away like tears in the rain, like tears in the rain. Everything feels so distant, so far away. And I think